Okay, so for those who have been following this, the van is done as far as I can get it done. It has 12-month rego on it now. The vents have all been replaced in the top air conditioner unit. The front ones have been replaced. The side covers have been replaced. Any panels like this have all been replaced. Anything that was missing on the van has all been put on. So she's a nice clean van now. I gave the skirtings a bit of a touch up. Got the wheels changed. Brake light has been replaced, so it's a working one there now. The bumper bar has been taken off, and the rusty mounts underneath have been replaced and painted as well. So that's not going to rust for a long time again. The switching mechanism here has been fixed, so when you shut the tailgate, it actually turns the light off. We've got seat covers, just a couple of floor mats that I had handy. The reverse cam's working. The head unit's from my van. I've got to get a new one for my van. The bad tint has been removed, but two things that I couldn't do is get the air conditioning repaired. It just needs regassing, and the windows retinted with a dark tint. Unfortunately, all the bad wiring that was here going to the headlights has been removed, so everything's all nice and clean under here now. All the fluids have been checked multiple times to make sure that the fluid on the power steering doesn't go down, the oil doesn't go down there. There's no leaks under the van anymore now that main seal's been changed. Got a good battery in it. She's only just over a year old. The centre compartment has been put back in. The missing parts to the centre dash has been replaced. Custom console in, and got the registration papers, which is funny enough that this is this van is September 93 model van, the build, but on the rego papers it's got November 96. We queried that at the insurance company and at the RTA, and they said to just ignore the month and year. It doesn't really matter because the van is correct, the VIN number is correct, so we'll just have to go with that. Alright, we're delivering her to a new owner. If you don't remember from my first clip, I mentioned that Tracy didn't want to show her face on the camera. Here with Tracy now. I'm just going to leave it for her to say a couple of words.
Yeah, hi. I'm just wanted to say I'm very grateful and blessed to have friends that would help me. I haven't had a car for a very long time, and I've had a rough time of it. And I can't say thanks enough. And thank you to anybody who made a donation and for everyone's support. The car is awesome, and I'm very humble. So I can't thank you both enough. Thank you so very, very much.
Another satisfied customer.